In this video, you'll learn how to share a page in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to invite collaborators to view or edit your content seamlessly. Start by navigating to the Notion website and signing in to your account. Once you have logged in, locate the specific page you wish to share. It is essential to ensure that the content on this page is finalized and ready for sharing. Before proceeding, take a moment to check the page permissions to confirm that everything is set up correctly for the intended audience. Next, look towards the top of the page where you will find the share menu icon. This is typically represented by the word share or an icon that resembles a person with a plus sign. Click on this icon to open the sharing settings. You will then see options to add people by entering their email addresses if you want to invite specific collaborators to access the page. Once you have added the email addresses, you need to decide on the access level for each person. You can set permissions to allow others to either view or edit the content. Take the time to review these permissions carefully as they determine how others can interact with your page. Adjust these settings according to the level of access you wish to provide. After adjusting the sharing settings, it is advisable to notify your collaborators about the shared page. You can do this through Notion or by sending a direct message. If you are uncertain about the access granted, about checking if the invited users can view or edit the page as intended, remember that you can update permissions at any time if adjustments are needed. Finally, keep an eye on the page activity to monitor how your collaborators are engaging with the content. This will help you understand if further adjustments to permissions are necessary. Once you are satisfied with the sharing process, you can move on knowing that your page is successfully shared with the right people. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.